Good morning. So, the last class we have started with our supplementary text, that is lesson 1, the time of surgery, isn't it? So, in that lesson we have seen how much care was taken for a dog, isn't it? The mistress Pombade, she has taken too much care for the dog, and she was giving her food, and all the time she thinks that he is weak, isn't it? So thinking that he is weak, she started to give him more than enough food. So as a result of that, what happened? Too much food was given to him. So as a result of that, what happened? He became huge in size, isn't it? He became huge in size, and so he was not able to move from one place to another, and he was like rolling, isn't it? So what did the doctor say? Howard said, Herold, he has said that he has to be hospitalized, and that means only in the hospital he can be treated well, isn't it? Because the condition came that the dog was not able to move or not able to eat any food. Even his favorite food he was not able to eat. That much condition was the dog. So he has to be hospitalized, and so he has to, for a week he has to be taken. And now finally, though she was not willing to send him alone, she has to do it. Otherwise, what will happen to the dog? It will meet his death. So she decided to send him to the hospital. And before going to the hospital, as we human beings used to do, that means before when we are going for hospitalized, that means to get admitted in the hospital, what will we do? We will take sufficient things, isn't it? That is blanket, clothes, then some utensils or some vessels or cup or like that. So certain things we used to get prepared before we go to be hospitalized, isn't it? Similarly, before taking him to the hospital, what did Mrs. do? She started packing all his things. That means he was having all things differently used for different times, isn't it? That means a bed of according to the season, according to the summer, blankets according to that, then even bowls serving food. That means in the morning one, in the afternoon another, and for dinner another. So like that, different bowls for different time, isn't it? So like that he was leading a luxurious life. Because she was a rich lady, so everything is given to him. And then the doctor was not able to take each and everything for that, so he had run away from her, isn't it? Little things he had gone to his hospital, and thus Tricky was put in the hospital. And for 2 days nothing was given to him, only water was given. Only water was given to him. Only water was given to him. On the 3rd day, so 2 days the dog had no change. But on the 3rd day, what happened? A little change started in Tricky. He started to move and also to look around his surroundings. And there in the hospital, he could see another group of dogs of various kinds and size, isn't it? But at first he was not able to go friendly with them, and they also did not mind him. Why? Because at the very first sight itself, when they came near him, he was not able to move, or he was not able to do anything, show friendly towards them. So they had ignored him, they had neglected him, and they had gone. So when after 2 days staying over there, and when only water was given, little improvement, little changes started in Tricky. And what did he do? He started to move around, just see around, and decided to or started to join with those dogs. Understood? I think I became up to there. Now I will read. I will read from the part from where we had come to an end. At the surgery means the hospital, the household dog searched around them. Tricky looked down at the noisy pack with dull eyes and when put down lay motionless on the carpet. That means he was taken out from the car and he was put in the room. That time he just lie down over there because he was not able to move. In that condition only he was brought from Mrs. Palmby. The other dogs, after sniffing around him for a few seconds, after smelling around him and staying there for a few seconds, decided he was an uninterested object and ignored him. So what did they do when they were smelling and standing around him? He was giving no response. So what did the other dogs thought? He is nothing. Let it be like that only, and in that manner they all neglected him or ignored him. Ignored means neglect, not taking care of. I made up a bed for him. Here I refers to Mr. Hurwitz. Him in a warm, loose box next to the one where the other dogs slept. So he also was given the box very next to the other dogs where they also are given for sleeping. For 2 days I kept an eye on him, giving him no food but plenty of water. So for 2 days what was given? Only water was given, not food, because at the same time the dog was not able to eat anything also, isn't it? So water was given to him. So main thing what is the problem with the dog? Because he was given too much food, isn't it? Too much food, thinking that he is not having sufficient energy. That means more than enough, isn't it? What he wanted. So that made him feel ill. That is the problem with the dog. At the end of the second day, he stayed to show some interest in his surroundings, and on the third, he began to whimper when he heard the dogs there. So when he started hearing the sound of the other dogs, he started to make sound, small whispering sound. Whimper means small whispering sound. Small whispering sound. You also have heard about the dogs making, isn't it, like that? When I opened the door, so now 3 days, isn't it? 2 days already gone and now the third day. When I opened the door, Tricky trotted out and was immediately engulfed by Joe, the gay home and his friends. Suddenly when the door was opened, the other dog named Joe was standing outside and he caught hold of whom? Tricky. After rolling him over and thoroughly inspecting him, the dog moved out down the garden. What did the dogs do? They all went towards the garden. Tricky followed them, rolling slightly with his surplus flat. That means surplus means extra fat. That is the problem with the Tricky. Because of that extra fat in his body, he was not able to move. He was huge in size. Just seems to be rolling from one side to another. It's now from one end to the other. So when the other dog started running towards the garden, what did he also do? He also followed them, but not very fast. He could not do anything very fastly, isn't it? Only very slowly he can do it. Later that day, I was present at feeding time. That means during the giving them food. I watched while Vincent sloped the food into the bowls. There was a usual headlong rush followed by the sound of high-speed eating. Every dog knew that if he fell behind the others, he was liable to have some competition for the last part of his meal. So when food is being given, what is the problem? All the dogs together, they will come running over it and the ball will be placed over there and everyone will be standing or jumping from one to the other, isn't it? That means each one wanted to get the food first. So what will be they doing? They all will be doing in such a manner or jumping in such a manner to get the food. Like that it also happened. When they had finished, so by the time when they had finished eating the food, Tricky took a walk around the shining bowls. So up to then, who was not along with the other dogs? Tricky was not along with the other dogs. Then once the meal is over and all other dogs have gone, he went around the bowls. casually inside one or two of them. That means when he looked into it, he saw only little bit here and there in that bowl. He started licking it. Next day an extra bowl was put out for him, and I was pleased to see him jousting his way towards it. So the next day, what did he do? He had given him a separate bowl of meal, isn't it? So why did he give a separate bowl of meal? Why he did not give the same bowl what the other dogs are having? Because the day before when the meal was given, what happened? He did not join with the other dogs. The other dogs all surrounded and they were having their meal. And once after the meal they had gone, what did he do? He went and looked in the bowl, and what is luck? He licked, isn't it? So the person understood, the world understood that he will not eat food in such a manner. Why? Because he was not brought up like that, isn't it? How was the meal served to him? In separate bowls at a separate time, isn't it? So he has been experienced in such a manner, not taking together. And also in the same house there are no other dogs also, isn't it? He is the only one. So everything was given to him for his own. That is why the next day what was given, what was arranged? A separate bowl was arranged, and when the meal time was given like that, what did he do? He went straight to the bowl which is being kept for him. Understood now? From then on his progress was rapid. So then after that, as the days were going, he was also improving. There was a great progress in his illness. He had no medicine taken. So up to then what was not given to him? Any kind of medicine is not given to him. Only just what is given? 2 days nothing, just water. And from third day what was given? Meals were given. Little food was given. And then what was the change in him? He started joining with whom? Joining with the other dogs. So no medicinal treatment of any kind, but all day he ran about with the dogs, joining in their friendly skirmishes. That means the whole day no other medicine was given to him. As usual, as other dogs are doing, what did he also do? He also started with the same manner and joined with the other dogs in their play. He discovered the joy of being hauled over, tramped on and squashed every few minutes. That means making sound, jumping and everything. Different, far different from the life what he had been living. Isn't it? Now totally changed. He became an accepted member of the gang. That means now he is also one member among the other group. An unlikely silky little object among the shaggy crew. Shaggy means dirty. That means other dogs are of different height and his body was different. That is why he is silken in color. His fur is very soft. So it seems to be like a silk. And the other dogs are little bit shaggy. That means they are not very clean or soft like a home tricky, isn't it? Still, what did he do? He joined with them. Fighting like a tiger for his share at meal times and hunting rats in the old hen house at night. So at night, what is the work he is doing? What is the work? Hunting rats. And in the meal time, he also joined along with the other dogs for the meal. He had never had such a time in his life. So first time his life had changed. He had never been like that. Everything separately and everything he is having a time and a manner and the food is different. Everything is in such a life he was living, and now that time life was over and a new life is brought to him. Understood now? I think up to here we have been taken last class. Now next. All the while Mrs. Pompey hovered anxiously in the backyard, ringing a dozen times a day for the latest bulletins. I dogged the question about whether his cushions were being turned regularly or his track correct and according to the weather, but I was able to tell her that the little fellow was out of danger and convulsing rapidly. So all the time the dog is here and who is left at home? Mrs. Pomfrey is left at home, and all the time she was worried about whom only? Worried about Tricky only, isn't it? And a day, within one day she used to call the doctor many times, more than dozen times, isn't it? Because she wanted to know what is the change in Tricky, what all he is doing, whether he is doing the same as she was looking after him, like that. I doubt the question about whether his cushions were being turned regularly or his correct coat worn according to the weather. These are the main things she wanted to know. Whether the coat is being given according to the weather. That means summertime different, rainy time different, and in winter time different. So like that it is being changed. Like human beings, everything is being changed according to the season to him, isn't it? That means he was living a very luxurious life. So she was asking whether that is all being doing or not. But I was able to tell her that the little fellow was out of danger and convulsing rapidly. So the only answer what Mr. Harold used to say is that he has changed a lot and he is improving rapidly, increasingly. Understood? Slowly, slowly he is increasing, and now it is in a fast manner. Understood? All the while Mrs. Pomfrey hovered anxiously in the backyard, ringing a dozen times a day for the latest bulletin. Bulletin means the news to get from about the dog. I doubt the question about whether his cushions were being turned regularly or his correct coat worn according to the weather. These are the main things she wanted to know. But I was able to tell her that the little fellow was out of danger and immensely rapidly, that he is improving, that the danger situation had changed. Because he has been brought from Mrs. Pomfrey in such a condition. So now said that condition had been changed and he is improving day by day. The word convincing seemed to do something to Mrs. Pomfrey. She started to bring round fresh eggs, 2 dozens at a time, to build up Tricky's strength. For a happy period, my partners and I had 2 eggs each for breakfast. But when the bottles of wine began to arrive, the real possibilities of the situation began to draw on the household. So, the main thing that Mr. Harold had said is that his danger situation had changed, it has gone, and now he is improving, isn't it? So, when the word improving, when she heard the word improving, it made her think that the dog has to give more food. Again, she has to send more food. So, what did she do? She started to bring down fresh eggs, 2 dozens at a time. One time and coming, bringing how much? 2 dozens. 1 dozen is 12. So, 2 dozen, 24. To build up Tricky's strength. So, in order to bring up his stamina, what she is bringing? Yes, dozens of eggs. For a period, half a day, my partners and I had 2 eggs each for the breakfast. So, these eggs are being given for Tricky or not? Yes, these eggs are not being given for Tricky. Then, how was the egg taken? Who has taken the egg? Yes, the people in that hospital who is taking care of him has taken that. Very good, isn't it? But when the bottles of wine began to arrive, then after that, what started coming? Bottles of wine. The real possibilities of the situation began to draw on the household. Then that also being used by whom only? The people in the hospital. Understood? That means whatever that nutritious food coming, who is enjoying? The people in that house is being enjoying that, and nothing is given to Tricky because he was being given these all things in large number, more than what he needed, isn't it? That made him feel what? Ill. That made him feel ill. So now Mr. Harold understood that is not the problem with the dog, not the food. He is greedy. Tricky is always greedy, even though he could not move from one place to another. Still, when a food is being given to him, greedily he is taking it, isn't it? So that greed should be stopped. That is the only problem with the home Tricky. So now the food, the eggs and wine are coming, and who is finishing? The members of the household are finishing. It was to enrich Tricky's blood. Lunch became a ceremonial occasion with the 2 glasses of wine before and several during the meal. So when bottles of wine started coming, who was having a luxury lunch? Yes, this household partners are having luxury lunch. That means during the lunch time, 2 glasses of wine, and in between also they are having that wine. So somehow they are finishing the bottles, isn't it? And the eggs. The word convincing seemed to do something to Mrs. Pomfrey. She started to bring down fresh eggs 2 dozens at a time to build up Tricky's strength. For a happy period, my partners and I had 2 eggs each for breakfast. But when the bottles of wine began to arrive, the real possibilities of the situation began to draw on the household. It was to enrich means to give more rich Tricky's blood, to bring more blood. Lunch became a ceremonial occasion. Ceremonial means like a function with the 2 glasses of wine before and several during the meal. But that means only during festival time or some party, people used to drink what wine, isn't it? Here what happened, because it is coming daily, somehow they have to finish it. So daily they were having what 2 glasses of wine. That is why he said a ceremonial occasion. Understood? Now next, we could hardly believe it when the brandy came to put a final edge on Tricky's constitution. For a few nights, the fine spirit was rolled around, inhaled and reverently drunk. That means it was little bit was given to him also. There were days of deep content, starting well with the extra egg in the morning, improved and sustained by the midday wine, and finishing luxuriously round the fire with the brandy. So this is what is happening in that household. The partner, they are all enjoying with the food that is being sent for who? Tricky. A little part only was given to him, and the remaining everything was shared among the partners of the household. It was a temptation to keep Tricky on as a permanent guest, but I knew Mrs. Pomfrey was suffering, and after a fortnight felt compelled to phone and tell her that the little dog had recovered and was awaiting correction. It was a temptation to keep Tricky on as a permanent guest. So they wanted to keep, they are having that temptation to keep Tricky at there for a long time. Why do they have that temptation? Yes, because they are what they are having? They are having good number of eggs and wine, isn't it? Making them have to enjoy their life over there. So this is been if the Tricky has to be taken out of hospital, what will happen? This coming product will be stopped, isn't it? So they are having the temptation to keep him there, but at the same time, only for a fortnight he has to be in the hospital. That was being said to with whom? Mrs. Pomfrey. So can they keep him as a permanent guest over there? No, they are not able to keep him as a permanent guest over there. They have to send him back to Mrs. Pomfrey, because the word was given to him that only for a fortnight. But I knew Mrs. Pomfrey was suffering, and after a fortnight, and also she was waiting for Tricky, isn't it? Waiting for to come and take Tricky back home. Wanted to take Tricky back home. So she is waiting for that also. Daily she is, what she is doing? Phoning and asking about his comforts and how is his improvement, isn't it? So now she wanted to take him back. So they are not able to keep him for a long time or permanently. Felt compelled to phone and tell her that the little dog had recovered and was awaiting collection. So they had to phone her and ask her to come and collect the dog. Understood now? I will go through once more. We could hardly believe it when the brandy came to put an final edge on Tricky's constitution, for a few nights the fine spirit was rolled around, inhaled and heavenly drunk. That means comfortably they were drinking and enjoying their life over there. There were days of deep content, staring well with the extra air in the morning, improved and sustained by the midday wine, and finishing luxuriously around the fire with the brandy. That means in the night enjoying around the fire. That means drinking brandy and everything and enjoying the life. So it was a luxurious life of enjoyment with those partners of the household, isn't it? So they thought that it can be continued how if Tricky is being put over there permanently, isn't it? But they are not able to keep her permanently because before bringing her to the hospital, what has been said? The treatment is only for a fortnight. So now, and in between also, she was phoning many times a day and asking about the recovery of Tricky. So they are not able to keep Tricky there permanently. They have to send him back to Mrs. Pumley. So what did they do? They are forced to call her and say that it is time that the dog had recovered. It is time for her to come and collect him and go. Understood? It was a temptation to keep Tricky on as a permanent guest, but I knew Mrs. Pumphrey was suffering, and after a fortnight felt compelled to phone and tell her that the little dog had recovered and was waiting collection. That means to come and collect him. Collecting means to take him back to home. Within minutes, about 30 feet of gleaming black metal drew up outside the surgery. The Toffler opened the door, and I could just make out the figure of Mrs. Pumphrey, almost lost in the interior. Her hands were tightly clasped in front of her. Her lips trembled. Oh, Mr. Harold, do tell me the truth. Is he really better? So now the phone was given to her and said that she can come and collect him because he is now out of danger. He is okay now. That is, he had recovered from his illness. So now, within minutes, within short time, who arrived over there? Mrs. Pumphrey arrived over there. Within minutes, about 30 feet of gleaming black metal drew up outside the surgery. That means black metal means car. The chopper opened the door, and I could just make out the figure of Mrs. Pumphrey, almost lost in the air. That means now, within that short time, when Tricky was out of her, she could not tolerate that much, isn't it? So she became. She had lost some of her weight, we can say. She had lost some of her weight and she became somewhat thin. Because that feeling, the sadness can be seen in her. Her hands were tightly clasped in front of her, her lips trembled, and she with shivering, she cried out, "Oh, Mr. Harold, do telling me the truth. Is he really better?" That means, Harold, is he really better, or you have just called me for that? Yes, he is fine. So what was the answer? Yes, of course, he is fine. There is no need for you to get out of the car. I will go and fetch him. That means you be in the car only. I will bring him to you. You be there only. He is alright now. Within minutes, about 30 feet of gleaming black metal drew up outside the surgery. Surgery here mentioned is the hospital. The car came over there. The chopper opened the door, and I could just make out the figure of Mrs. Pumphrey, almost lost in the interior. That means that sadness and happiness can be seen in her. Her hands were tightly. Why is that? Why she is feeling that much sadness? Because it was like that, like her own child. She has been looking after who? Tricky, giving him all his comforts, isn't it? Whatever comfort she is having, the same is being shared to whom also? Tricky. It is a dog, still it is given, isn't it? Are we looking our pets like that? No, we will give them food, isn't it? And take care of them. But Mrs. Pumphrey is something doing more than what we are doing. Understood? That means as if Tricky is a child. How a child is being taken care or looked after by its parents. Like that, the same love, affection and the luxury life, comforts were given to Tricky also. Sorry. Yes, he is Fine. There is no need for you to get out of the car. I will go and fetch him. So what did he say? You need him come out of the car. I will bring the dog to you. I walked through the house into the garden. Sorry. Yes, he is fine. There is no need for you to get out of the car. I will go and fetch him. That means I will go and bring him back to you. You be in the car. This is what been said to her. I walked through the house into the garden. That means he went inside to get the dog, isn't it? A mass of dogs was hurtling round and round the lawn, and in their midst, ears flapping, tail waving was the little golden figure of Tricky. In 2 weeks, he had been transformed into a little hard-muscled animal. He was keeping up well with the pack, stretching out in great howls, his chest almost brushing the ground. So this is the change what had come over to whom? Tricky. We will see what's the change. So now he had gone to bring the dog, isn't it? So when he went, we will see where the dog was. I walked through the house into the garden. So he went straight to the garden. A mass of dogs, that means a pack, isn't it? A group of or a number of dogs together, that is the mass, was hurting round and round the lawn and in the middle. So they all are playing in the lawn and in their midst. Midst means in the middle. M-I-D-S-T. It means middle. So all the dogs are surrounded and in their middle. Ears flapping. That means flap means to move to and fro. Tail waving of the tail, was a little golden figure of Tricky. So in the middle, who is there? Tricky is there. He is enjoying himself with the other dogs, with a large number of dogs. In 2 weeks, so how many weeks he has been there? 2 weeks. Within that time, he had been transformed into a little hard-muscled animal. Up to then, he was only a soft, silky one, tottering or rolling, isn't it? Seems to be rolling from one place to another. That means legs are not being seen. The whole huge body is being covered, isn't it? When he is moving on the ground, only what can be seen? The huge body only can be seen, isn't it? Now that soft silky body had changed into hard muscled like other animal. He was keeping up well with the pack. Keeping up well with the pack. Pack means that a group of dogs, that number of dogs together. So he was keeping well up means he is enjoying with those dogs. Stretching out in great bounds, his chest along, brushing the ground. So moving, just is touching the ground. Because the dog is little bit fat enough, isn't it? I walked through the house into the garden. A mass of dogs was hurting round and round the lawn. And in their midst, ears flapping, tail waving, was a little golden figure of Tricky. In 2 weeks, he had been. So, how many days he has been over there? Only for 2 weeks, isn't it? It has been already said for a fortnight, isn't it? That he has to be hospitalized. So, now the particular days are over and he had informed. So, within that short time, this was a change that had happened in Tricky. Half-muscled, hard-muscled animal. He was keeping up well with the pack, stretching out in great bounds, his chest among brushing the ground. I carried him back along the passage in the front of the house. So he has been carried to the front of the house. The chauffeur was still holding the car door open, and when Tricky saw his mistress, he took off from my arms in a tremendous leap and sailed into Mrs. Pamela's lap. She gave a startled "oh" and then had to defend herself as he smiled over her, licking her face and barking. See the affection, see the love that is being shown by Tricky towards his mistress. I carried him back. So he was carrying him and going in front of the house towards the car. The chauffeur was still holding the car door open. Door is being opened, and when Tricky saw his mistress. So while going, the door was open, and from there he could see who was inside, isn't it? Tricky could see who was inside. Who was sitting inside? His master, Mrs. Pumpkin. He took off from my arms. Took off. He got out of his arms in a tremendous leap with a great force and sailed into Pambra's lap and went and landed where? Landed on Pambra's lap. She gave a startle. She cried, "Oh!" and then had to defend herself as he swarmed over her, licking her face and barking. Then the dog totally jumped, holding her and licking and barking. That means that licking and barking of the dog in such a manner shows that after some days he is seeing who? His mistress, isn't it? So that kind, that love, that affection, everything can be seen within that seconds, isn't it? During the excitement, I held the chocolate to bring on the beds, toys, cushions, coats and bowls, none of which had been used. As the car moved away, Mrs. Pumpkin leaned out of the window. Tears showed in her eyes, her lips trembled. During this excitement, which excitement? The showing love and affection between whom? Mistress and Tricky. So within that time, what did Mr. Harold do? He asked the driver to go and get all his things, whatever things have been given to him while coming from home, to take them and go, because they had never been used. Isn't it? Here they use the different types of bowls or different meal bowls which have been served over there. No, coats, different coats are there according to the season or weather. Isn't it? Nothing of that sort of cushions. Everything was given to him, but nothing was being used for these 2 weeks. He was one left alone or left freely with whom? With the other dogs. Isn't it? He was not given any separate care or different care to him. Isn't it? Totally he has been left to be along with whom? With the other dogs. So he said, okay, you can take those things also which have been sent. As the car moved away, then they had gone. Mrs. Pumpkin leaned out of the window, tears shone in her eyes. She was crying, her lips trembled. "Oh, Mr. Harold," she cried, "how can I ever thank you? This is the triumph of surgery." So this is the triumph of surgery. That means this is the victory of surgery. So what surgery has the doctor done to Tricky? Did he do any surgery? Means what? Operation, isn't it? Did any operation be done for the Tricky? Yes, nothing of that sort was given. Did any special treatment was given to him? Nothing was given. Did any medicine was given to him? Nothing, isn't it? No kind of medicine, no kind of surgery, nothing. Still, why did Mrs. Pumpkin say it was a triumph of surgery? Yes, because without all these, what she got? She got her back, her Tricky with a hard, like a hard muscled animal, free from everything, isn't it? When he was brought to hospital, how was he? He was totally fed with ill, isn't it? That means he was not able to move, not even to take food also, isn't it? But by this time, within these 2 weeks, what happened? He was totally changed and now he had become a hard muscled animal. So that is why without medicine or without any surgery or without any special kind of treatment was given to the dog. That is why she had said it is a triumph of victory. Sorry, the triumph of surgery. Understood it? It was a victory of a surgery. So what means of surgery there had been done? Only allowing the dog to go along with the other dogs. That means complete exercise. No food, isn't it? Food was given in a correct manner, in a correct time, in the correct time, with the correct quantity, isn't it? But how was the food given to him? More than that, extra food, isn't it? But that has been stopped, and a correct menu and a correct quantity. Along with that food, what is also was given? The first thing has to be given is exercise, isn't it? So how was the exercise given? Making him do all the exercise? No. allowing him to go and join with the other dogs. That means when the other dogs were there, they are enjoying their life in different manner. Like that, he also been sent to join along with them and live a life freely. So when a life of freedom was given to him, what had happened? He has totally changed. So now we come to the end of the lesson. Understood? So the question answers are there. What kind of a person do you think the narrator, a veterinary surgeon, is? Would you say he is tactful as well as full of common sense? Then, do you think Tricky was happy to go home? What do you think will happen now? Do you think this is a real life episode or mere fiction? Or is it a mixture of both? What do you mean by real episode? Real episode means something that is happening really, isn't it? Really in the life. Fiction means it is only imagination. So saying that it is something that has really happened or it is something that is an imaginary story. So how can we say this is an imaginary fiction or a real one? It can be a real also, isn't it? It can be real. Why? Because some people may be looking even animals also in such a manner how they are living, isn't it? So when everything is going more than enough, what will happen? It leads to some problem. It will never come out of it, isn't it? Problems are there. When everything is in the correct manner, everything is in the proper manner, then it will be a smooth running. If anything go excess, what happens? It leads to excess only. It leads to something great problem, isn't it? So then, based on that, I will send along with that these questions, 3 questions. Along with that, I will send adding 4 more and send you the notes. You can go through the notes and you can complete it. And if any doubt is based on that, you can inform me. Okay, thank you.